Good morning friends. Welcome to Parnika's Tutorials YouTube channel. In the last video, I have discussed what are the steps involved in converting a given infix expression to postfix expression using stack. I hope you have watched that video. If you did not watch that video or if you don't know how to convert the given infix expression to postfix expression, I request you to go back and watch that video and come back to this video for better understanding. In this video, I want to discuss another example on converting the infix expression to postfix expression. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. So this is the given infix expression. I want to find the equivalent postfix expression. Now we need to scan the input from left to right. Am I right or wrong? So we have the character and we have the stack and then we have the postfix expression. Now first thing is that you need to scan the input from left to right. Now while scanning, if you get an operand, you need to write it in the postfix expression. If you get an operator, then you need to check whether the stack is empty or whether the stack consists of open parenthesis or whatever the operator is there in the top of the stack, whether it is greater than or less priority than the scanned operator. All these things we need to check. So we will discuss each one in detail. Now first one we have scanned, we got the A. Now which is an operand. If it is an operand, I can write it in the postfix expression. Now next I am scanning, I got the addition. Now as it is an operator, if it is an operator and the stack is empty, we can push it into the stack. So if I push it into the stack, I will have the addition like this. Okay. Now still the postfix expression consists of A. Now after the addition, I am scanning the open parenthesis. If it is an open parenthesis, we need to push it into the stack. So if I push it, I will get the like this. See, I am writing the stack like this. Otherwise, if I write like this, I have the addition, then I have the open parenthesis. Because of the space constraint, I am writing like this instead of representing like. Okay. But while you are writing, please write like this so that to avoid the confusion. Now, still the postfix expression consists of A. The next one you need to scan it is the B, which is an operand. If it is an operand, you will directly write it in the postfix expression. Already you have A, now you are appending B to that one. Now, the next one you need to scan it is the multiplication, which is an operator. If it is an operator and top of the stack consists of open parenthesis, then you need to push it into the stack. So if I push the multiplication in the stack will looks like this. Okay. So you have the bottom, you have the addition, then you have the open parenthesis, then you have the multiplication. Is it clear? Still the postfix expression is A and B only. The next one you are scanning is the C, which is an operand. If it is an operand, we need to append it to the postfix expression. The next one is the subtraction. Now, as it is a subtraction is an operator, you need to look at the top of the stack. Top of the stack consists of multiplication. Now, which has the highest priority? Multiplication has the highest priority or the subtraction has the highest priority? Multiplication has the highest priority as compared to the subtraction. Then what you need to do is that you need to pop the operators from the stack unless until you get either open parenthesis in this example or you get a equivalent priority. If it is an equal priority and if it is same operator, equal priority and same operator meaning is that you have a minus and then you are scanning the minus, then you need to look at the associativity. If it is left associativity, then you need to pop this one also and then you need to push it. Okay, don't worry, I will discuss slowly so that you will understand. Now the multiplication has the highest priority, so what you need to do is that you need to pop the multiplication and write it in the postfix expression. So now the postfix expression consists of a, b, c and multiplication. Okay, now what is the stack consists of? You have the addition, you have the open parenthesis. Now look at the top of the stack. Top of the stack is consists of open parenthesis. Now you need to push the subtraction. That's all. Is it clear? I hope you have understood. Now you are done with this one. Okay, now you need to scan the open parenthesis. When you have scanned the open parenthesis, you need to push it into the stack. So you have the addition, you have open parenthesis, you have subtraction. Now again open parenthesis, you need to push it into the stack. Okay. Now done up to here, or you can write this one same, this one a, b, c multiplication. Now you are scanning the next character, which is D, which is an operand. If it is an operand, you need to you need to append it to the postfix expression. So the postfix expression consists of currently A, B, C, multiplication and the D. The next one is the division operator. Now look at the what is the stack. Stack is consists of addition, open parenthesis, subtraction, open parenthesis. Now the top of the stack is open parenthesis, and whatever the scanning you are doing is a division. So what you need to do, if the top of the stack is consists of parenthesis, whatever the operator you have scanned, you need to push it into the stack. If you push it, you will have the addition, open parenthesis, subtraction, open parenthesis, then division. So this is the stack elements currently, and the postfix expression is A, B, C, D, A, B, C, multiplication and D. Now as the space is completed, let me use this space. So let me erase this one and make this one as a postfix only, and I can use that space to solve the remaining question. So again we have a character, we have the stack, and we have the postfix expression. I hope it is visible for you. Now you are done here. This one is also completed. Now you are scanning the character E. You are currently scanning the character E, and the stack is consists of addition, open parenthesis, subtraction, open parenthesis and division. Okay, and you have the postfix expression consists of A, B, C, multiplication, D. Now whatever the character you are scanning, it is an operand. If it is an operand, you need to append it to the postfix expression. Now you are scanning the power operator. Okay, the character you are scanning is the power operator. Now look at the top of the stack. Top of the stack consists of the division operator, and you have the power operator. Which is having the highest priority? The power operator has the highest priority as compared to the division. Is it clear? So whatever the operator you have scanned, if it is having the greater priority as compared to the top of the stack, then you need to push it into the stack. That is what your step 3.1. So you are pushing the power operator, then the stack will consist of this one. Is it clear? Currently the stack consists of these elements, and top of the stack is the power operator. Okay, so you have A, B, C, multiplication, D and E. Okay, now next you are scanning the F. Next character is F, which is an operand. You need to append it into the postfix expression. Still the stack is consists of addition. Just write it, because we did not modify the stack. Okay, whatever is here, we are just writing that one. Now the next one we are scanning is a closed parenthesis. Next character is closed parenthesis. If it is closed parenthesis, what we need to do is that we need to look at into the top of the stack. If the top of the stack is consists of open parenthesis, then we can neglect the open parenthesis and closed parenthesis. But here we got the other than the open parenthesis. If you get top of the stack other than the open parenthesis, then you just need to pop this operator and write it in the postfix expression. So if I do it, I will get A, B, C, D, E, F power operator. Am I right or wrong? Is it clear? Then if you pop the power operator, you will have the addition and the division you have. Now the top of the stack is the division operator, which is not equal to the open parenthesis. Then again you need to pop this one and write it in the postfix expression. Okay, is it clear? Now look at the top of the stack. Top of the stack is open parenthesis. Then you can neglect the open parenthesis and close parenthesis. You are done. So currently the stack consists of addition, open parenthesis and subtraction. So you are done with the scanning of closed parenthesis. Now you have scanned the multiplication. Now look at the multiplication, which is an operator, and the multiplication is having the highest priority as compared to the top of the stack, which is subtraction. Now in that case, what you need to do? You need to push this multiplication into the stack. So if you push it into the stack, you will have the plus, open parenthesis, subtraction, and then you have the multiplication. Is it clear? Are you able to understand it or not? Now next you are scanning is the G, which is a operand. Then you need to append it into the postfix expression. Is it clear? The next one is the closed parenthesis. Okay, right now the stack is consists of addition, open parenthesis, subtraction and multiplication. Now again we need to do the same procedure. Now closed parenthesis is there. Now the top of the stack is not the open parenthesis. You need to pop this one and append it into the postfix expression. Okay, then you will have the addition, open parenthesis and subtraction. Now again look at it. Top of the stack is subtraction, which is not a open parenthesis. Again you pop the subtraction and write it in the postfix expression. Okay, now if you pop this one, you have the open parenthesis. Once you got the open parenthesis, you can discard the both. Okay, so this is done. Now you got the multiplication. As you got the multiplication, currently top of the stack is consists of only addition. Look at the priority of multiplication and addition. Multiplication has the highest priority as compared to the addition. Just you need to push the multiplication in the stack. Still the postfix expression will be same, this one only. Now next you got the H. H is a operand. So you need to append this one to the postfix expression. Okay, so we have done with scanning the infix expression. Once you are completed the scanning the infix expression, now whatever the operators are there in the stack, if it are there, then you need to pop them one by one and append it to the postfix expression. So let me write here. Currently we have the postfix expression as ABC multiplication DEF power operator division G multiplication subtraction H. If I pop it and append it into the postfix expression, I will get this one, and currently stack is consists of addition. Now again you need to pop this one append it to the postfix expression. So this is the equivalent postfix expression for the given expression. Is it clear? So I hope you have understood how I converted the infix expression to equivalent postfix expression using the stack. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, or if you feel that, sir, for this example I have understood, I have taken another example, but for that example I could not able to solve, then you write such expression in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.